So just a few days ago, I posted up that video of me off-roading. It was like 55 degrees outside. 2 days later, it's freezing cold. We had a blizzard yesterday, and there was a terrible accident on I-70 highway. It was like a 40-car pileup, and someone died. So yeah, this is Kansas for you. It's really hard to make content and you know, do projects in the driveway because I'm not doing that in this weather. So yeah, today I'm driving around in my wife's CRV. I know a lot of you guys originally subscribed to this channel because of my old CRV, aka the Heap. Yeah, she's long gone, but my wife's CRV is doing awesome. So this is just gonna be a little update video on my wife's CRV and how it handles some snow. Here is today. Look at that Cherokee. Yeah, so this is Kansas for you. Oh, he's getting a little nasty. Getting a little nasty. You missed it. I missed it. He drifted around the corner in his XJ. He's got a roof rack with stuff on top. He's got highlights. Heck yeah. Let's see if I can get him to pass me. There we go. Yeah, buddy. He's pretty slick. Alright, guys. These are two brand new cars, and they're both stuck. I'm in my wife's 1997, 98 Honda CRV. It's got new tires on it, which is a pretty smart thing to do in the winter. And as soon as I get a little gap, I'm gonna go ahead and cruise right around these guys. Real-time four-wheel drive. All right, I'm gonna go this way. Excuse me. Yep. All right, look at that. Look at this. Look at all these people. Yep, see you guys later. Yep, you can hear the rear differential doing its job back there. That's pretty typical. But yeah, guys, my wife's CRV is still doing good. Figured I'd do a quick little update on it. The Jeep's sitting at home hibernating. And yeah, Kansas City weather for you. 2 days ago, it was 55 degrees. I was wearing a t-shirt at work. Today it's about 18 degrees. Yeah, guys, these CRVs are badass. If you're looking for a winter vehicle that's cheap, look into one. Real-time four-wheel drive, real-time all-wheel drive. I'm not sure what the term is. There's a badge on the back, but yeah. This little thing's a tank. Stuck. Look, he's getting pulled. Here we go, stuck. It's another one, stuck. I'm actually in Kansas City, Missouri. I live in Overland Park, Kansas. But I've definitely realized that when I come over here in KC Mo, I don't know where their tax dollars go, but it doesn't go to treating the roads. Because this is terrible. I'm out here quite a bit for work.
In 800 feet, turn left.
I'm out here quite a bit for work, and every time it snows, it's just an absolute disaster out here. Alright, you guys, that's probably going to wrap up this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on how my wife's CRV is doing. It's doing great. It didn't get stuck once. I was out driving around for probably 12 hours yesterday for work, and I had no issues. So there's that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and one more thing. Let me know what you guys think about this intro. I'm trying to make something cool for you guys.